Hello guys, today we're going to be making an encryption program on Python for a tutorial. Okay, so let's get started. So we're going to set result as blank and message as blank and choice as blank. We can call this as we go along the program. Now we're going to create a while loop. So while choice does not equal 0, choice equals input. Okay, so here we're going to do \n, which will create another line for where the print will be shown. So first line, do you want to encrypt or decrypt the message? Question mark. Our next line will be \n, and then enter 1 to encrypt, 2 to decrypt, and 0 to exit the program. So next we're going to use an if statement. So if choice equals 1 equals 1, message equals input, enter message for encryption. Leave a space there. Semicolon just to make the interaction a little bit nicer for the user. Now we're going to use a for loop that we haven't done yet. So for I in range 0, and then len message. So len works out the length of the word that you entered for encryption, and 0, so for I in range, so 0 is your starting point, and len message is the amount of letters in your message. So let's say from 0 to 5 or 6. Okay, like that. Next line, result equals result plus chord, and then message, and then I close bracket -2. So how it encrypts it is that you enter your message, and what it does, it will change each letter of the message to a -2. So let's say if it was C, it will change it to an A. If it was a B, it will change it into a different letter. If it will change it to a D, it will change it to a different letter. It does not use other symbols apart from letters. So that's how the encryption works. Now we wanted to print the result for the user. So print result class \n and close. Now result, we're going to call that again like we did last time, set to that. Okay, so if the user chooses 2 instead of 1, then do this. Okay, so message equals input \n, enter the message to decrypt. I just remembered here on our message of choice 1, we also have to use a \n for formatting purposes and for when we print out the result. Okay, so after message on the second choice, we're going to create another for loop. So for I in range, and again 0 and len message result equals result plus gr or the chord message, and then we're going to put I here, and then +2. Okay, so what happens when you want to encrypt it, so when you want to encrypt the message, it will change the letters to a -2 by calculating the length of the word, and chord is the function or a built-in function which allows you to change each letter of the message by a certain number. We could do -2, we could do -4, but that doesn't matter. We're just going to set the number to -2 just for purposes of showing you guys how it works. Okay. So after this, we will want to output it again. So print result plus /n /n and close brackets. Okay. And then we're going to call back on result again. Now, if choice does not equal 0, we'll then print you have entered an invalid input. Please try again. /n and then close print. So that is all. So now we're just gonna run it. We're gonna save it as encrypt program. Okay, so we're gonna run the program. So I want to encrypt first. So I'm gonna say David as my name, and that's the code that we get. I'm gonna copy the code. Now I want to decrypt, and it gives me the message David. Thank you very much for watching. This was an encryption program on Python. Check out my other videos, and I'll be uploading soon again. Thank you very much for watching.